Hello, Rukmini.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
Did you have a fun day today?
Yes.
What was today?
I don't know.
It was your
It's my birthday today.
birthday party
Birthday party in Shamrock
At?
School at
11.
11 o'clock.
Did you have fun?
Yes.
What did you do?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
You don't know? You cut cake nicely.
Yes.
All your friends
Yes.
came. What did they say to you?
Bye bye.
No, what did your friends say to you?
Okay.
Wait, go back. Go back a little more. They said happy birthday to you, no?
Yes.
Yeah. Then what else did they
I
all
don't know.
they all sang for you? Was there any performance?
No.
There was a
Magic.
show. There was a magic show.
Show.
What did you like the most about the magic show?
Uh,
What did you like the most about the magic show?
uh,
Wait, one second. What did? Hey, he had a bird. What is the bird called?
Buzz.
Dove.
Go.
Dove.
Dove.
There was a dove, no?
I like dove.
Did you like the dove? Did you go touch it? Put your frog down. Did you go touch the dove?
Yes.
How was it? Soft?
So,
Was it nice? Yeah? What was the uncle's name who did the magic show?
Sachin.
Sachin, right? You remember
Sachin.
that? Yeah. And then what other magic tricks did he do?
No.
He asked you to come on stage, no?
Ah.
He asked you to come on stage. Did you go? What did you say? Huh?
Abracadabra.
You said abracadabra? And then what happened when you said abracadabra?
Peacock. The peacock.
Peacock came. Then
I don't know.
one little flower came like that, no? Yeah? And then the arrow, it was down and then it became to the side. No? Wasn't that fun? And then what else was there?
I win.
And then you
Bye-bye.
what was in your hand
Bye-bye.
when you said abracadabra?
Bye-bye.
What was in your hand? What's that called?
One.
Wand.
A big one.
Wand. You took a small wand because you are a small baby. Go back a little bit.
No, big. I'm not the small baby.
Oh, how old are you now?
4 years old.
Yeah, on Monday you'll become?
5 years old.
Yes, Mudula. You're growing up, no? You're growing up so fast, no?
7 years.
No, you're only 5. You'll be only 5 on Monday. Hey, who is this giving you kisses? Who is this giving you kisses? Wait, go there. Huh. I can't show you. I'll show you once it's all recorded. Now tell me what else did you like about your birthday party? Go, sir. Who all came? Tell me all your friends' names who came. Say.
I don't know.
Think.
Topics.
Disha.
Tisha.
Ah.
Trika.
Huh?
Tritra.
No. Kallu.
Kallu.
Ah. Kushi.
Kushi.
Ah. Then who's Kallu's sister? Who's Kallu's sister? Gayatri.
Kraiti.
Then who else came?
Kraiti.
Ah.
Kraiti.
Gayatri came.
Kraiti.
Then
And Kushi. And Tadu.
hey, and then Reena.
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 Reena from your school,
Isha.
from first class, first standard. Remember, she came from first standard. Huh? Reena came. Then who else came?
Who's Reena?
Reena in that pink top and jeans she was wearing. That's Reena. Then who else came?
I don't know.
I'll tell you. Wait. Nikhil. And then who was the small little girl wearing a red frock? Kirtana came, yes. And who else came? Sit, stand properly. What is that? Kirtana came, and who else? Huh? Kirtana's brother, what's his name?
Tisha.
Rishi.
Rishi.
Yeah, Rishi also came, no? Then who else?
Yes.
That's all. Oh, Tamara.
Tamara.
Tamara's sister. What's the Tamara sister's name?
Baby. Girl.
Ta.
Girl.
Talika.
Talika.
Talika also came.
Talika's name. Small baby.
She used to be a small baby. Now she's grown up.
Boy.
She's got a boy cut, no? And she's walking everywhere. And then who else came? Your friend in that pink dress. What's her name? Ira. Ira came, no? And Ira's brother. What's Ira's brother's name? Ishan. He also came. You had fun, no? Did you like your cake? What was on your cake? Yala Mudla. Did you have fun? And then, did you eat the cake, train cake? Oh, shall I give you some now? Yeah? You want train cake? Are you okay?
Yes.
You're getting kakka, no?
No. And give.
Okay, wait.
Thank you.
Hey, go back into a curtsy. Hey, go back a little bit. Thank you.
Thank you.
Wait, 1 second. I have to do it again. Wait. Ah.
Thank you. Thank you.
Alemundala. Happy birthday, my baby.
Thank you.
Go back, girl.
Bye.
Did you have fun?
Yes,
You're
bye,
looking so cute. Bye.